Hey there, Supercoder! Today, we are going to make something super cool. We're going to create our very own dancing game. Yes, our sprite is going to dance like a superstar. Let's get started. So today, we're using code.org. Let's quickly log in. Now click on the menu, New Project, and choose Dance Party. Alright, cool. First thing we need is our dancer sprite. On the left side, there's a category called Dancer. Drag the block Make a New Cat all the way to the top. Click Run and watch what happens. There's our cat. Hi, kitty. But wait, we can change it. From the drop-down, I'm going to choose... let's pick Alien. And I'm placing it right in the center. Perfect. Next, let's add a background effect. From the World category, drag the block Set Background Effect to choose any effect you like. I'm picking something super funky. Click Run. Wow! Look at that cool background. Nice, right? Now let's make our alien dance. From the Dancer category, grab the block All Dancers Do. And in the drop-down, I'm choosing, Double Down. Set it to Forever, so the alien won't stop dancing. Okay, cool. But what if we want to change the dance steps while the music is playing? Easy peasy. Use this block. Repeat every 2 measures. What does that mean? Watch the number on the top, the measure number. It keeps changing in the music, right? So inside this block, we can add a new dance move. Let's say, clap high. Now, duplicate the whole block and change it. Maybe next time, let's make the alien body roll, or sidewalk right. Cool, cool, cool. See how nicely it changes the moves? Oh, and don't forget, we can add music. Choose music that matches your mood. Fast, chill, party, anything you love. Click Run and enjoy. Now let's add a foreground effect. From the World category, drag Set Foreground Effect to... I'm choosing hearts. Aw, so cute. Next, let's add some background dancers. Drag the block Make 6 new bears in a circle. You can change the number of bears, you can change the formation, triangles, circles, lines, anything. Alright, let's test it. Ooh, look at all of them dancing together. Now here is the best part. We can control exactly what happens at each measure. From Dancer category, drag the block at measure 5. Under that, we can add background effect, foreground effect, dancer movement. So for measure 5, maybe hearts and clap high. For measure 10, fireworks and dropped down. Just duplicate and change the measure number. Simple. And one more cool thing, in the World category, there's a block Generate Effect. Drag that in and boom! You get super cool special effects popping all over the stage. How awesome is that? Alright, Supercoder, that's it for today's rocking dance game. I'll see you in the next video with more fun and crazy projects. Until then, happy coding, and bye!